Hi, I'm Rashana Levin with KW United. Today's video is on the Maryland Mortgage Program. Today's agenda, I'll talk a little bit about me, Maryland Mortgage Program, First Time Advantage, Flex, and Specialty Programs. Let's get started. I'm licensed in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. I'm a certified realtor as a real estate negotiation expert, a commitment to excellence realtor endorsement, short sale resource, professional and military relocation professional. I believe that an educated home buyer will have a smoother, more enjoyable experience, which is why I'm an advocate for educating others on the process. So, the Maryland Mortgage Program is located in Prince George's County in Lanham, Maryland. Their mission is to assist and educate the public on housing. They provide loans, grants, down payment, and closing cost assistance programs for home buyers. So, up first is the First Time Advantage Direct. So, it's actually a loan program. It does not allow for down payment assistance. It does, however, allow for a low interest rate. So, the first time advantage loans. So, there are actually four. So, the first one is $6,000. The second one is 3%. The next one is 4%. And the final one is 5% of the sales price. So, there is a loan for down payment and closing costs. It's a second lien on the property at 0% interest rate. So, as long as you stay in the home, and don't refinance or transfer the property, there are no payments due. If any of those things are activated, then the money will be due back to the Maryland Mortgage Program. So the main requirement is that you have to be a first-time home buyer, or you can, as long as you're purchasing in a non-targeted in a targeted area, that you don't have to fulfill the first-time home buyer requirement. There are income restrictions, and home buyer education is required. So next is Home Start. This is a good program. It is 6% of the sales price. So there is an income requirement. So the borrower must make 50% of the median income or less. You have to be a first-time home buyer unless you're purchasing in a targeted area. It's a loan for down payments and closing costs. There is a second lien on the property with 0% interest rate. No payments are due unless the home is refinanced, transferred, or sold, and homebuyer education is required. So, next is the Flex Direct. So, there is no down payment assistance allowed with this program. You have to use your own money, though you have the ability to get a lower interest rate than the other programs. So the Maryland Mortgage Program Flex, there are two loan programs with this. So it's $5,000 or 3% of the sales price. So they follow the same guidelines. It's a second lien with 0% interest. It's for down payment and closing costs and so on. So the specialty program, Montgomery Homeownership Program 6. So, this is the sixth version of the program. So, you get 40% of the household income, which is capped at $25,000. So, first time home buyer, unless you're purchasing in a targeted area, is a second lien with 0% interest. You must purchase in Montgomery County. So the next specialty program is the Maryland Smart Buy program. It's the third version of the program. 15% of the purchase price, not to exceed 50,000, must be a first-time home buyer or buying in a targeted area. It's a second lien on the property, 0% interest, no payments are due unless the home is refinanced, transferred, or sold, and education is required. Also, this is actually to assist you with paying off your student loans. That's what I didn't mention, which is important about this program. So the final specialty program is the Greenbelt Home Advantage. So it's a $15,000 grant for first-time home buyers that currently are renting in Greenbelt. and it's a grant, so there is a true grant, so no repayment is required, though you do have to do education and there are income restrictions. That's all for this video on an update to Maryland mortgage programs. Are you ready to start your home buying journey? Let's talk soon. Give me a call at 240 284 4114. Thank you for watching.